Welcome! In front of me I have IMILAB W01 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on this watch. Before we start, if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the GloryFit application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue. And now we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the GloryFit application and your iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. So let's open the settings on our iPhone. In settings, you should see the main page. Now find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here you should see the list called My Devices, and on this list you should see the device called IMILAB. This is our watch. Tap on the info icon next to it, and here make sure that the share system notifications option is enabled. Once it's enabled, you can go back to the main page of settings, scroll all the way down, or maybe not all the way down, but down to the list of applications, and on this list find the application called GloryFit. Tap on it. Here make sure that the Bluetooth option is enabled, and also you can enable the notifications for the app, so you can tap on notifications and enable the allow notifications. And once you're done, you can close the settings and open the GloryFit application on the iPhone. Now tap on the device icon to open the device page. Wait until the watch is done connecting with your phone. And once it's done, you should see options like phone, SMS, and app. Basically, we can enable the notifications for phone calls, messages, and applications. First, let's tap on phone. And here we can enable the notifications by tapping on the switch next to closed, or maybe next to the when the phone is ringing, the device will vibrate, and you can enable this option. So what it says basically, if somebody is calling you on your iPhone, your watch will vibrate to inform you that you're receiving the call. And next option is when the phone is ringing, touch or long press the device will hang up the phone. So you can basically hang up the calls by pressing and holding the button or on the screen of the watch. And you can enable or disable this option by tapping on the switch. Okay, once you're done with the phone notifications, tap on SMS, and here we can enable the option that the watch will vibrate when you receive the message on your phone. Then we can go back, tap on apps, and here we can enable the notifications for the apps. So basically the watch will vibrate and inform you that you receive the notifications on your iPhone from specific apps, and we can enable and disable the notifications for the apps right here on the list. As you can see, we have Instagram, YouTube, Messenger, Gmail, Twitter, WhatsApp, and stuff like that. And you can enable the notifications by tapping on the switch next to the app you want to enable the notifications for. You can also disable them by tapping on the switch again. If you don't see the application you want to receive the notifications from on this list, you can enable the option called Other. If you enable this option, it will basically enable the notifications for every app on your iPhone. Okay, and once you're done customizing the settings, you can close the GloryFit application, and at this point you should be able to receive the notifications on your watch. So I'm gonna send myself a message on Discord. As you can see, we got our message, or rather our notification on our iPhone and also on our watch. When we look up the screen, here we have it. And you can read it, you can, I believe, tap on it. No, you can't. You can tap on the bin icon to clear it. And if you miss the notifications, you can swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the message menu. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.